Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. Now from here look for one-handed mode. Here it is, then tap on it. Now by tapping here you can enable one-handed mode. Now here you can see two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. If you select gesture from here and then go to your home screen. Now from here to enable one-handed mode you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of your screen. Now just do it. And it's done. Now you can see in my phone one-handed mode has been enabled successfully. If you want to disable it, just tap anywhere of blank space. And you can see it's disabled. Now if you go to same settings again and then select button from here, then go to home screen again. Now from here to enable one-handed mode you have to tap 2 times in the home button. Now just do it and you can see one-handed mode has been enabled again. And that is how you can enable one-handed mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.